Good morning, students. We are going to continue the chapter tense. Yesterday, we studied that generally present tense indicates present time, past tense indicates past time, and future tense indicates future time. But we also saw that present tense indicates all the three times: present time, past time, future time. Example, we live on earth. This is present tense but indicates all the three times: past time, present time, and future time. So generally present tense indicates present time, past tense past time, future tense future time. But sometimes one tense will indicate all the three times or different times. Today we start now present tense. First number, present simple. Present simple structure you already know how to make present simple. In present simple structure is V1 V5. Structure is first form of verb or fifth form of verb. Example, go, goes, write, writes, play, plays. V1 or V5. Now confusion, when we will use V1 and when we will use V5. So simple rule is that when the subject will be four words, he, she, it, single name. When subject will be he, she, it, single name, then V5 used. The simple rule is that he, she, it, single name. He, she, it, he, she, it, single name plus V5. This small rule you must remember. He, she, it, single name plus V5 means when subject will be he, she, it, single name, then V5 will be used. Otherwise, V1. When subject will not be he, she, it, single name, then V1 use. Example, I not among the four, so I play. He plays, she plays, it plays. Single name, Ram plays. Ram and Syam play, not plays, because Ram is single name, but Ram and Syam is not single name, it is plural name. So Ram plays, Ram and Syam play. Clear? This is positive sentence structure. One more thing you should keep in mind that this is positive structure. In negative sentence and question sentence, question means interrogative sentence. In negative and interrogative, you have to use do or does. Do does used in negative and question, not in positive sentence. Ram plays, positive, so do does not used. Again confusion, do or does, same rule. He sits single name plus V5. Does is V5, so does. When he sits single name, then does, otherwise do. And you must remember that after do does will come main verb, that always V1, not V5. Rule. This is another rule. Do does plus V5. After do does always V5 will come. Example, Ram plays, positive. Negative, Ram, single name, Ram does. Ram does not play. Ram does not play. Ram plays. In positive, Ram plays. In negative, Ram does not play. And question, does Ram play? What does Ram play? When does Ram play? Clear? Now we have to study In which situation, in which situation we have to speak or write this tense? There are many situations. First situation is permanent activity. Activity means action, work, permanent work. When we are going to speak or write about permanent activity or action, then this tense present simple use. Example of permanent activity is the thing which is permanent. Activity which is done permanently. Example: his father works in America. Permanent activity. His father works in America. Another example: I teach in SR Public School. Permanent activity. Another example: she lives in Delhi. Permanent activity. Now situation number 2. Universal truth. Universe means the whole world. Such truth which is popular all over the world. Such truth about which people from all the universe, all the world knows. Truth which all people of the world knows. Example is the earth moves around the sun. Another example: the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Another example: water is made of oxygen and hydrogen. Universal truth. Another example: the Ganga rises from the Himalayas. Universal truth. Another example: the sun shines during the day. These are the examples of universal truth. Now, situation number 3. Habitual action. About your work or action which you do as a habit daily. Daily as a habit you do some work or action. For that habit, present simple will be used. Example is that he gets up before sunrise. He gets up before sunrise. This is his habit. That every day he gets up before sunrise. Second example: my friend works in the morning. My friend works in the morning. His habit is that he works in the morning. Another example: Sonu goes to bed at 10 p.m. Sonu goes to bed at 10 p.m. It is his habit that at 10 p.m. at night he goes to school. Another example: they come here after sunset. They come here after sunset. This is their habit. They come here after sunset. Another example: he comes to school on time. He comes to school on time. This is his habit. Now situation number 4. About situation 4. Thoughts, feelings, emotions. To express thoughts, feelings, emotions, simple present use. Example: she looks beautiful. It is thoughts. She looks beautiful. Another example: I need some money right now. I need some money right now. It is my thoughts. Another example: we are surprised. We are surprised to see you here. We are surprised to see you here. This is our feelings, emotions. So students, the rest part of present simple we will study in the next class. Thank you.